Hey guys, it's Annabelle Birchcastle here, and I'm so excited because today I am going to be doing Missing Claire DIY costume / cosplay for Halloween and dress up DIY and how to get it and stuff. So I haven't actually done any of this stuff, but I'm just guessing. If you try it, let me know, because I would love to know. Also, if it didn't work or something, you can also let me know, and I will try to see if there's a different way. But since Halloween is around the corner, not everybody has found a costume straight away, so if you need help with that, I'm your girl. So let's get started. I'm so excited. Alright, so first we have Claire, which is the main character. So this isn't a picture of Claire from the thing, but this is the exact same outfit she wears. Sorry, I don't have any full body pictures of her. I'll try to get one next time I am doing it and stuff, but I'm wearing the exact same stuff in this photo, so I figured it would work. So I will be showing side by side of it as well as I'm showing you guys. So we're probably gonna, let's start from top to bottom probably would be a good idea. So let's get started. Alright, so for the hair, it's pretty easy. You can get a pink wig if you really feel like it, and you can just braid it, or it already comes braided. Make sure it's this color, or at least similar to this color, because this is the exact color it is. I added a filter on this photo, so it is light. I'm also here with Madeline Ash Clover, by the way. So, but this is a filter, so it's a little bit lighter, but you get it. This is the exact color she has. Or if you want to go without really paying very much money, you can just braid your hair into, a braid, and then paint spray it pink. As for pigtails or a pigtail or pony, braids, just one braid or two braids. Now in the show she has one braid, but she also has two braids in some of the photos of her that Sally draws. So you can have two or one. It depends on how much hair you have too. If you have a thick, long hair, it might be easier to just do one or two. If you have really thin hair, it might be easier to just do one, and two might be a little bit harder. So let's move on to, use light pink spray. I don't really have any brands to recommend to you, but, I'm sure you know some brands or something. You can get a lot of hairspray at, like, Party City and stuff. I know a lot of it's, like, hot pink and stuff, but I'm sure you can find something on, like, Amazon or something. Or you could buy a wig. So for the makeup, she doesn't really wear any makeup except for a little bit of blush and lipstick, because in Star Stable I don't like to go like overboard with the makeup. So for the lipstick, you can just have your normal lip color. I suggest either just doing natural or get a very neutral color, like a rose gold. Not rose gold, but like just a neutral, like this color. Because, excuse me for a second, as I get the picture back. As you can see, her colors are pretty similar to this lipstick, so I do suggest it. Nothing dark like this, just something nice and light like that. Then again, for the blush, she just has a very simple light pink blush. So yeah, make sure you just get like a light pink blush. As you can tell, there's not too much. If you don't have blush, don't worry about it, because you probably don't even really need it. As I said, she doesn't really do anything much. It's perfect because if you're not allowed to wear makeup, which I totally understand, you know, you can just kind of you just have your natural self, because as you can see, she's very neutral with her makeup. So, and then her eyebrows aren't filled in or anything, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so for the hat, it's a rose gold type colored helmet, or a cowgirl / cowboy hat, and I know that's going to be hard to find and buy, so I suggest just buying like a random brown or just white cowboy hat. It doesn't have to be this like color or anything. Just buy one, random one. If you can't find a rose gold, and then you can paint it with fabric paint rose gold, remember, to match the rose gold. Again, it has a filter, so it doesn't look as rose gold, but trust me, it is. And then you also want to add some lace to it because it has belts and stuff. But I like to pretend that her helmet actually has, I keep saying helmet, it's a cowboy / cowgirl hat, but I like to pretend instead of a belt, it has lace, because it's not like 100%, you know, the actual thing in the game. Anyways, this is, also these DIYs can be used, you know, to make yourself look like your avatar, so it doesn't have to be 100% a thing, you know. So those are the things that you should require to have it. Or so you could also just possibly buy a pink one. I saw a picture of it, but I cannot find it, sorry, but it was exactly like what I imagined her hat looking like. But anyways, so that's how you could make the hat, or you could just buy one, but I think that would be quite hard to find that exact color. On my iPad, I have a picture of it right now. I wish I could show you, but I can't. I'm trying to show the computer, but you guys can't see it. And then for the shirt, it's probably the easiest thing you will be able to get out of all this stuff. Well, maybe not, I don't know. But look at this. It's a pink jean jacket. So, you could probably find these easy. I've seen them a lot. Make sure they have buttons, at least 3 or 2 buttons, because if you look at Claire, let's see, if you look at Claire close up, you can see that it has 2 or 3 buttons. So depending at the angle you look at her, of course. So I definitely recommend getting a pink the jean jacket. I really want this in real life, so I might just get that for that, as well as this thing. Now, you're probably wondering what this is called, which true horse fans probably know what this is. I mean, it's okay if you don't, but let me show you. So, this is called a bolo, by the way, if you were wondering, and you have to get a blue one. I also suggest getting a pink one, though, if you can't find a blue one. Yet, blue ones are probably more common. Hopefully, it is called a bolo. I believe it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do, but this is the bolo. You don't really need like a certain color tie. You just need a blue jewel in the middle. This looks exactly like the picture. I didn't even mean to do that, guys. Like, I swear. Anyways, as you can see, she has a jean jacket and a bolo. So, the glasses are not a part of her. That's just what I was wearing because I like wearing glasses. just every day. So I suggest we should move on now to the bottom half, I suppose. Okay, so for the pants, you are going to need jeans, which are probably going to be easy. I personally don't really enjoy wearing jeans. I think they're uncomfortable. I know a lot of people do like them, so it's your choice. You can choose jeggings, which is jean leggings, and they're softer than jeans, but they look like jeans, which I wear those a lot because I like the look of denim, but I don't like wearing denim except for when it's a jacket, and I'm wearing one right now. It's not a jean jacket, but it's a JoJo's Closet thing. Anyways, any of these colors are okay except for black. Do not get black or any dark denim at all because you need that blue, okay? You need that blue to get that true look there. So, again, it's your choice. Real jeans or jeggings, whatever you want. Also, you can also choose if you want a black belt. Again, I don't like belts, so it's your choice. I mean, I don't know really who would enjoy it that much. There's zombies in the background. So, for the gloves, you can get gloves with holes, or you can get one without. Also, you're going to need to hot glue. Oh, I forgot to mention with the cowboy hat, you need to hot glue the lace onto the cowboy hat. So, yeah. And you'll need to hot glue or whatever you need to do to stick black and green beads onto the gloves because I don't know what it is. I just feel like there's black and green beads on there, on the gloves. I don't think there might be, but I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, we are almost finished, guys. Alright, so the final thing is you need taupe-colored cowgirl boots and the black beads and hot glue them onto here carefully. And you don't have to have the beads if you don't want to. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big, big, big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and become a pink rabbit. Press notifications so little rabbits can nuzzle you and let you know when a new video comes on out. And don't forget to check out Missing Claire, link in the corner for you to go check that out. And I will see you guys in the next DIY. Peace, rabbits out!